Good evening, guys. Just finished recording a long video on silver miners. It seems like it wants to resume the uptrend to the upside after we broke out like 4 months ago, roughly. A uranium update. It will be quick today because nothing major is happening. Yes, we're up like 2%, 3%. Okay, that's definitely, we cannot complain. But with regarding to where we are in the charts, I mean, it's nothing. Yeah, we will check in, guys, and see where we are. Again, still looks good here. We have had 3 very good days, and that is the short-term momentum that we need, and we need to keep going slowly and to roll over into the long-term uptrend, and then we can say, all right, we're back in business. So yeah, let's have a look, guys, where we are in time here. The URA up 2%. Cool. Into resistance here, you can see we have like an internal blue guy here, and yeah, that's the next one that we need to take out. So roughly here above 26 is where we need to be, going. Yeah, not the worst candle, not the best candle. URNM. Also here you can see URNM. If we originally we had the break here, which was good, deep retest, double bottom. If we extend that, you can see we're actually breaking here on the URNM. So the 100% pure play miners are breaking out from, that here. Still very early here, but we are basically roughly at the low side of the bear flag here. So that is where one of the bigger tests will be. Hopefully we can undo it right very quickly. Just getting back into the bear flag will be a big win if we can do that clearly, so I like it. I really do. URNJ here with like 3% for the day. Still overall downtrend. And I just found this internal here because this is a parallel, the golden, and then I copied it and then I just aligned it down here. You can actually see that we are connecting a lot of places with this. That's the breakout that we looked at before. Again, touching. So we are into some big resistance here for the uranium miners. And we are basically testing the bear flag and the resistance here. So if we can, let's say tomorrow we get back in, that would be truly amazing. And then the bears are getting very worried. But until then, we are at resistance, and I'm expecting a move down here. You can see here, we also broken out there. So again, but until we get back into the bear flag, I'm not, having any celebrations here. Definitely, it has been a great week for uranium. Not gonna lie, we are up 20%, really? Nice, I'll take that every day. Nice. URA divided by the spot price. I have actually removed some of the lines just to make room for what is important right now. And what I found is that what I'm seeing here is this ceiling, 0.37. We have had that on for a long time, by the way, and the low here at 0.28. And we do have something going on here, and we really need to get that break right. That would be what we're waiting for. So this is the one that I'm looking at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe something like that would be perfect for the miners to finally outperform. Again, we have had so many chances to break to the upside. We just couldn't seem to get going. This was really close. Yeah. The U.UN, that's the spot physical, getting rejected it there at the red wedge pattern, which we have had on for like a long time. That's what we need to break here. Clearly today we opened into it and then we are coming down roughly flat, so I'm not gonna put much into it. Let's see on the lower here, you can see we are, yeah, we basically opened and then we came down. So we need to break there. We need to get that break, and then we are really happy all of a sudden. That's a short-term time frame, big breakout, and that's, again, could spill into the long term. So we need to get above. The level is, we need to get above 25. 25 for U.UN, and we are happy. Spot price is up 1% from yesterday, but again, I'm not gonna call anything because it's so damn early. Sorry, not gonna curse here. There it is. That's potentially the start. Potentially. Again, we need that big candle there, but again, we could be breaking out, but I'm not gonna call it a breakout because yeah, I'm not going to call it a breakout because it is such a small move. So, cool. Cameco up 2%. Fine, nothing major. Do we have like a trend line break from here to here? We're basically at resistance. We will leave it on. That's actually important. Why is it important? Because this was, where I said we are ready to blast higher for uranium across the board. So that's the big fake out high here at roughly 54, and we connect the highs ever since. So if we can break that, we have broken the first trend line created from that fake out high, which is always a small little stepping stone to grinding higher. NXE 3%, again, still within the golden range or bull flag. So yeah, we had the gold to silver ratio breaking down heavily from this bear flag or this bearish channel. That's really nice. I will not celebrate yet because I want to get below the blue here, because that's the long grinding bad boy here. But it looks really heavy, and I think we could see that. And then all of a sudden it opens up for that next leg down again. Well, you cannot call it a next leg down, but finally to get that thing rolling, and miners will do well. By the way, why do you think miners in general are doing really well today? A big breakdown in gold and silver, in the gold to silver ratio. It is what it is. URNM divided by Cameco, flat for the day. We will not go into details. So that's it, guys. Nothing major to report. We are big resistances, however, and hopefully, maybe tomorrow, ideally, that would be great. But again, next week, we will have to fight that bear flag to get back above for the big ETFs. Have a great day, my lovely friends. Cool. Bye.